What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to go over 5 keys to increasing your affiliate sales through YouTube. If you're like me and you use YouTube as one of the main platforms to driving traffic to your affiliate offers, to your landing pages, to your sales pages, then these 5 keys are surely going to help you out. One of the things that I've noticed from people that send me emails or messages over on Facebook is that they're always struggling with one simple thing. How do they drive traffic from YouTube over to their sales page, to their affiliate links? Well, that is a big problem, but here's an even bigger problem. What if you can't even get people to click on your videos? What if you can't get people to click on the link inside the description or inside the comment? Then it doesn't matter what is on the back end, what you're selling, what product you are trying to promote. It's just not going to work. You'll never get any sales. But these 5 keys will help you increase your sales here on YouTube. So key number 1 to increasing your sales on YouTube is to offer a no-brainer bonus. What do I mean by a no-brainer bonus? A no-brainer bonus would be any bonus or any type of added value you put together. Now, that would be the definition of the bonus. The no-brainer bonus would be doing a 10x times whatever it is you are trying to sell. For example, let's say I have I'm trying to promote a skincare product. Let's say this product is for 50 bucks. One of the things I want to do is I want to put together a bonus that is 10 times the amount that the product is selling for. For example, it sells for 50 bucks. I want to put together a bonus that is worth in value $500. And if I give away $500 in value, it makes it a no-brainer. Somebody is going to pay $50 for that skincare product because they know my bonuses come with it. Even if they don't keep the product, they still get my bonuses. So like I said, that right there is a no-brainer. Now, as to what kind of bonus you put together, that's really up to you. I know fitness experts out there that are selling like resistance bands and supplements, and if you buy their supplements and you buy, let's say $150 or more of supplements, you get this X bonus, which is a $1,000 or maybe a $400, $500 in value product, such as online coaching, meal plans, discounted meal prep services, things like that. And it really works. It's a great option. So if you're struggling to get sales here on YouTube, one of the things you can do is offer a bonus for anybody that buys through your affiliate link. Another key to increasing your affiliate sales here on YouTube is to create more long form videos. What I mean by this is create videos that are more how-tos, step-by-step, tutorials, case studies, things of that nature. Because people are more inclined to watch a longer video if that video is longer, okay? For example, if you create an hour-long video, people are more inclined to watch at least 20, 30 minutes of it. If you create a 30-minute video, people are probably only going to watch 10, 15, maybe 20 minutes. They're not going to watch the whole 30 minutes. They usually watch a small portion of that video. So because of that, create longer form videos. Here's the other reason why I highly recommend long form videos. You can answer more questions inside the video. For example, if I wanted to promote some type of, let's say for example, I actually just did a pre-launch for my newest masterclass. It's called Traffic Tactics 2020. And one of the things I did is I just talked a little bit about it inside a video. If I really want to address this and really want to talk and try to sell this, I would create longer form videos talking about how to increase traffic, how to get in more engagement, do all this different stuff, and then I'd pitch that product at the end or throughout the video. Okay, so if you want that, I actually have a discount on it because it's currently right now, it's Cyber Week. So if you buy Traffic Tactics 2020 before December 9th, 2019, you get it for only $49 as opposed to the normal price. It's going to be priced at $497, but the value is over $5,000 in value from the bunch of bonuses that I offer. So this is just one of those things. I understand creating long form videos is not fun. You do not want to create an hour-long video to only find that 20 or 50 people watch it. But in the beginning, that's what you need to do. Because YouTube, especially, with YouTube, you have to create longer form videos because the more watch time you get, the more YouTube is going to promote your video for you. So if you want to make your job easier, you got to make your life harder in the beginning, because YouTube will eventually help you out. Key number 3 to increase your affiliate sales here on YouTube is to practice YouTube SEO. And one of the tools I highly recommend to do this is called TubeBuddy. I'll put a link down in the description box below so you can get it for free. TubeBuddy is a great tool. It allows you to go and find different keywords that are easy to target, easy to rank for. And if you are not ranking for different keywords within your niche, the hard part is nobody is ever going to find you unless YouTube starts suggesting your video. And the only way they're going to do that is you have to increase your watch time. And how do you do that? Go back to key number 2, create longer form video. Like I said, before it gets easier, it makes your life harder. You will have a tough life. You have to create longer videos, you have to put more time and more effort into this platform. But if you do it correctly, you're gonna get sales every single day simply by following these keys. Key number 4 to increase your affiliate sales here on YouTube is to collaborate. Do guest videos on other channels, have people come onto your channel. Here's the reason why. I absolutely love going onto other people's channel. And the reason I do that is because I myself can get in front of another person's audience. But why don't so many people come on to your channel? And here's what here's usually the answer I get. I don't want somebody to come on my channel because what if they don't have a bunch of value to add? I don't want to just promote their channel. I want them to promote my channel as well. And here's what somebody pointed out to me very early on, is when you invite somebody else, a guest, onto your channel, as long as they have a social media presence, maybe an email list, a Facebook page, an Instagram account, a Twitter account, whatever it is, a website, the likelihood of them publishing a blog post, putting out a tweet, publishing an Instagram post, maybe even doing an actual story on Instagram or a Facebook post, what happens? They're gonna post about them being on your channel. So it's actually gonna benefit you by having somebody else on your channel. So if you wanna grow here on YouTube, one of the fastest ways to do that is to do collaborations. Now, collaborations are gonna help you grow. Growth is gonna help you make more money here on YouTube. And key number 5 to make more affiliate sales on YouTube is to create a video series. Here's what I mean, and let me be very specific. Let's go back to the fitness niche, okay? So let's say in a video series, we're gonna do a 3-part series, okay? 3 parts, 1, 2, 3, okay? 3 different videos. Here's what we do. We create a 15-minute video, or it could be 10 or 20, whatever. Let's say a 15-minute video on how to lose weight, okay? So how to lose weight. The next thing we're gonna do, that's part 1. The next thing, and inside we're gonna answer questions on, eating right, exercising, sleeping, drinking water, stuff like that. In the next series, we're gonna kind of dive in a little bit deeper. How to lose weight, part 2. And then in video 2, you talk about how you need to not only eat right, you need to eat at the right time. Not only sleep, 8 hours a day, try to get the best sleep possible, get REM sleep. Then in addition, you want to get a good workout in. I'd recommend some cardio, but mostly weight training. Okay, so you dive in a little bit deeper. That's video 2. Video 3, we wrap it all together and put it in a nice presentation, nice video, and talk about why it's so important to exercise 5 times a week or more. Why it's so important to sleep 8 hours a day. Why it's so important to drink so many ounces of water based on your body weight. Why that's all important. But in addition to that, you need to really check out this product, this resistance band set. This will really help you increase your strength without spending $50 or $100 a month on a gym membership. And then you provide a link to that product. So you have your 1, 2, 3 video series. At the end of video 3, you offer, and throughout the video 3, you're gonna kind of mention this product and why it works, why you recommend it. And in the end of the video, you're really gonna push, you're really gonna try to sell them on this, because they're gonna go from video 1 to video 2, watch video 3, and at the end of video 3, they need something else to do. They need a call to action. So what do? You try to promote a product. So you don't really promote that product in video 1 or 2, you just wait to video 3, and then you really push. The reason why a video series works so well here on YouTube, like I said before, YouTube likes it when people stay on their platform and watch a bunch of videos, binge watch if you will. So if you can keep people on your channel watching your videos without them clicking away to some website to go see a product or to some landing page to go sign up for your free gift. If you keep them on there watching over and over again multiple videos every single day, what's going to happen? YouTube is going to start promoting that video for you. Now, like I said earlier in this video, YouTube, and if you want to be successful on YouTube, it's going to get harder before it gets easier. It just will. There's no way around it. So if you want to be successful, if you want to get more affiliate sales here on YouTube, you have to put in the work. Now, these are only 5 different keys to increasing your affiliate sales here on YouTube. There's much more that you need to do, need to accomplish, need to look at. You gotta look at analytics, gotta do thumbnails, you gotta do tags and your description right. You have to do everything correctly. But in the end, it's all about the end user. Are they satisfied? Are you giving them all the information they need? Are you giving them video after video after video? You're answering all their questions. You're engaging in the comments. What is it that you're doing? Are you creating a community right here on YouTube? If you are, YouTube's gonna push your channel. YouTube's gonna help you out. And again, you will make more money. Now, I know I went over a bunch of stuff in this video. If you have any questions on any of these 5 keys to increase your affiliate sales here on YouTube, make sure you ask your questions down in the comment section below. Like I said, if this is before December 9th and you want to get in on Traffic Tactics 2020, I highly recommend it. I show you how to use free and paid methods to increase your traffic to YouTube, to Instagram pages, to your social media accounts, to your websites, to your landing pages, to your courses, to anything you want to drive traffic to. I show you exactly how to do that in Traffic Tactics 2020. So again, if you have any questions, you can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.